Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're taking a look at water-fed pole use on a 4-story building. We're using a Gardner Ultimate High Reach. We have one set of extension in this today. So you can see that yellow section is at the 47-foot mark. So with the second set of extensions that I have into it, I have a little, maybe 5-6 feet left to go. I probably am using this today at 60 feet. So this is a 4-story building here. Kind of see what it kind of consists of here. And then it also has kind of like a curtain wall with some glass back there. So 4 sides. So this is the longest side. There's an identical side behind me. 2 shorter walls that are maybe half the size of this. But we're taking, so we'll water fed this, everything from first floor, second, third, fourth, all of it. We have 2 machines going, 2 guys on a machine, and we get, with 4 guys, we get this job done in an hour and a half. We each take a floor, so it basically takes us an hour and a half just to get her all the way around the entire building. I'm using the 60-foot Gardner Ultimate High Reach and only doing the upper panel up there and then the actual vision glass that's up on 4th floor. I do that from the start all the way wrap around to the other end of the building. The other, and I have a guy that follows me on 3rd floor, and then the second crew is following behind us, doing 2nd and 1st. So kind of teaming that out with 4 people. Just wanted to show this because this is an ideal job to where, so we got 4 guys, hour and a half outside. So we got the insides, 2 guys, it takes us 4 hours. So very quick job. It's like probably a $7,000 job all in and out. So with the time frames I put on that, we do pretty good on this one. But we invest in equipment to do this just more efficiently, because when we initially got this is, so to the top of that parapet wall up there, we're talking maybe 70 feet. So this is a job we used to use rope access, suspend over the side of the building. It does have that overhang up on top, which makes it a little difficult to reach that first window. And then like you get areas like this area here where you'd only do the 3rd floor, drop to a roof level. It takes us so much longer to get back up to the roof. And then just to add more of a burden, that parapet wall up there is 8 feet tall. So rigging, it would take 3 of us about a day and a half to chair drop this whole building, and we water fed it in just a fraction of that time. So just kind of to show what water fed can do for you. You can be a one-man show and clean this building in a weekend. I mean, you come out here on a Friday, 1 guy 8 hours inside. You could do the next day, 1 guy, a 10-hour day maybe to knock these outsides out. One-man show, 4-story building, $7 grand. You're gonna make your money on water fed poles. Just watch for the wind. The wind kind of just picked up. Kind of want to get back to my pole. Just wanted to show this because it's a key building where water fed comes in helpful for efficiency, what a one-man show can do, and the volume that a one-man show can do. Hope you found it useful. You saw it here, Window Warriors Forum. Check out some of our threads, windowcleaningwarriors.com.